Hello and welcome to Method Donor. In this video, we will look at the Donations app. The Donor Pack consists of two separate apps, the Donations app and the Donor Pages app. The Donations app, which we are focusing on in this video, manages your donations, whereas the Donor Pages app gives people a way to donate to your organization from a web page. Now, before we start using the Donations app, we need to configure it. On the app itself, you will find this ellipsis button, and when you select it, the card context menu pops up. Select Preferences. This brings you to the preference screen, surprisingly enough, and you will find 4 sections to configure. The first section is the donation items, which I will expand, and you can see all your QuickBooks items displayed here. Of course, you don't want to see all of them displayed. Some items should be used as donation items, while others should not. This filter view up here will allow you to switch between the two. Furthermore, you can search through the list with the search bar. Now, I don't have any non-donation items, but I should. So in the donation items view, I can find the items I don't want to be a donation item and check them off. And then I can select this button to mark them as a non-donation item. Of course, if I make a mistake, I can add them back as a donation item with this button. If you need to manage the items themselves, for example, to make a new item, you can do that in the Items app, and here's the link to go there. The next section is the Accounting Preferences, where you can select the account you use to accept donations. This section allows you to set the preferences for the receipt, the thank you letter, and the email sent out. The donation receipt is a PDF file sent out, and it will use this template here. If you wish to customize this template, you will need to use the Report Designer, which we will not cover in this video series. So I'll keep it at the default. This area is for your federal identification number, and here is a receipt statement which shows up at the end of the tax receipt. You can personalize this to your own needs. The thank you letter uses this template, and you can change the body of that letter here. You'll notice certain fields such as salesreceipt.customer and salesreceipt.totalamount. These are merge fields. You'll want to be extra careful making changes to this area, as it may impact what data is displayed. This is a template after all, and it will pull in the proper data when the letter is generated. The same goes for the donation email template. As you can see, it also uses merge fields, so take that into consideration when making changes. Note, though, this URL is the receipt URL. This is where the donor will download their receipt, so if you want to customize the letter to be more personal, do so, but keep this URL as is. Finally, we have the donor summary letter. This is used to reflect the messaging on aggregate reports sent to donors. In addition to the report itself, a statement and sign-off are included in the letter. And we're done setting up the Donations app. In the next video, you will add a donation. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube, check out our documentation, post on our forums, or you can tweet us at MethodCRM. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye!